I am off to Asia this January, so I wanted to get some new bits that are perfect for the temperature and weather over there, and YesStyle had some things that fit the bill, so stay tuned if you want to see. So hey guys, it's Becky and welcome to my channel. Sorry I'm a bit shadowy, but the sun is already setting and it's only 2:30. It's only 2:30 guys. But today, I think this is the first time I'm ever showcasing YesStyle on my YouTube channel. They do go up to a UK 24, but I believe the sizing is just sized up from their regular range, so just bear that in mind. As I said at the beginning, I'm off to Asia for me and my husband's big honeymoon. We've been planning this trip now for over a year. I'm so excited. We're going from Hong Kong to Vietnam, Thailand and Singapore all in one fell swoop. So we've got lots of different temperatures, humidities, weather to kind of deal with. But I really want some lightweight, comfortable, natural fiber dresses. I will be wearing my Snag Chub Rub shorts with all of these, and it was really hard to find any dresses in my size with that kind of being natural fibers, like short sleeves, that kind of thing, because obviously we're in our winter season here. But in the sale section of YesStyle, I managed to find quite a few pieces that I'm really excited to share with you guys. I will link everything that I can down below. And I also need to consider as well, when especially going to Thailand and visiting the temples, you have to cover both your knees and your shoulders to be respectful of their culture. So that is also in my mind as well. So yeah, this is everything I bought. Also, forgot to do my usual shout out. If you are into plus size fashion, beauty, lifestyle, vlogs, all that good stuff, then I would love it if you would hit subscribe. Down below it is free to subscribe, and I upload every Tuesday and Thursday every week. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let me know down below in the comments what you thought of everything. So let's get into the try on haul. So here we have the first dress. And it's this really gorgeous mid-axi shirt dress. It is super lightweight and comfortable. And it has got real buttons all the way down. This is in a 24, and I really wish they went up to a 26, because I think I would feel a little bit more comfortable with this in a 26, just as there's a little bit of pulling in the bra region. But I do think this is really cute, really comfortable, and I feel like it's so lightweight, guys, it barely feels like I've got anything on. It's super lightweight, which is really important for our luggage allowance, especially going back from Singapore. Luggage, extra additional luggage and weight in Singapore, guys, it's so expensive. So the lighter the clothes are, the better. I really love this print as well. I think it's quite trendy. It's like quite sophisticated but pretty. This gorgeous navy blue, which I think obviously is perfect for a cruise as well. And I think like this kind of dress I would definitely wear on days out, but I think I would also wear this perhaps to dinner in the evening with some kind of like sandals. I'm planning on taking a pair of Birkenstocks, a pair of more kind of dress up sandals, and then a pair of trainers. Let me know what you think of that selection. But yeah, this is super cute, comfortable. This is made of tencel, which I believe is a bit like viscose, where it's made of natural fibers. There was a load of information on the label, but it's an excellent length as well. Like this would be perfect for going into the temples because we're way past the knee as well. So I'll definitely be wearing snag chub rub shorts under this as well, and there are pockets as well. So this is really, really nice, and honestly I'll wear this as well like after the cruise. This would be great for going into the office, to work, things like that, especially in the summer. I feel like our summers are getting hotter and hotter. So yeah, this dress is really, really pretty, and even though there's a little bit of gappage, I could wear a smaller bra. This is quite a busty bra. I could wear something a little bit smaller, or just pin it, but I think it's fine. Like it is what it is. This dress is so comfortable. This is 100% cotton. This is literally exactly what I was looking for. I do feel like I'm more comfortable in this dress than the one with buttons, because I don't have to worry about any gaping or gapage or anything like that. And it's also long enough that it's not showing my knees. So I could definitely get away with wearing this to temples, though I probably would just wear the longer one, just, you know, for courtesy's sake. The print on this one, it does remind me quite a bit of like something that sea salt would do. It's very much that kind of vibe. Probably wouldn't wear this outside of the holiday, but I do feel really, really comfortable in it. I could see myself wearing this potentially in like spring, summer, if it's getting warmer and stuff. I feel like this is a really good holiday piece. I also love that it has an intentional border. I think that's really, really cute. And again, it's navy, which I think is perfect for going on a cruise. We've got a couple of really nice pockets. There's some really nice stretch in the dress, super comfortable. And it is like a half sleeve. So I know some of you guys don't really like showing the tops of your arms. So you've got that covered here. But yeah, it's just comfortable. Like this is literally what I want. Breathable, comfortable, like folds down quite small. And yeah, just easy to wear. Like it's cute, I don't have to think too much. Sometimes it's not about being a fashionista. Like while I applause these influencers that go to these amazing locations and spend their time like taking content of like really cute outfits and things like that. Obviously this is our honeymoon, not like a content creation trip. So we want to like explore and see as much as we can. We are going on a cruise, so we only have a small amount of time in each port. We get to see so many places in a really short amount of time. That's what's amazing about a cruise, but it also means you have a very small amount of time in each place. So yeah, hence wanting to be super comfortable and ready to get my steps in. Now, unfortunately, we've got a bit of a bust issue, quite a big bust issue on this dress, unfortunately, and I'm so sad about it because I thought this dress was so pretty. I loved the colours and I thought this would be perfect for a bit of a tropical holiday, but unfortunately they have really misplaced where to put the buttons. They put them up high and then like nothing here, which is so unfortunate because I feel like if they did put some buttons here, we would have had a better chance with it fitting properly. Also, I would say the waistband is incredibly tight. I think this dress could have really done with a little bit of smocking on the back just to make it comfortable. It does fit like down here over the belly line. It's also a little bit longer than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a bit more of a mid-axi than a full maxi dress, but as I said, I love the print. I think the print is so fun, so colourful. It's a very lightweight, again, like light, perfect for summer material. I do wonder how this would hold up to creasing. Obviously all the other dresses I've showed are more kind of like a jersey, which is perfect for traveling because they don't get creased as much, like they don't hold a crease. Whereas this might be a bit more creasy, but This, this isn't good. This is like pulling, opening way more than I'd ever want to show. And also this was £60, which is the most expensive dress in today's video. So while I love the print, I love the pattern, unfortunately, things like this just means it's a no from me. But it does have pockets. It does feel really nice quality. Maybe if you are smaller busted, you would have a better time, but I don't think I even have that big of boobs. I just think it needed a button and they've missed it. Maybe if you're really good at sewing and stuff, you might just be able to add that really simply, but for me, this is gonna get returned, unfortunately. So this is very similar, but it is a different color and it is a different length. And I also feel like the skirt is a little bit more flouncy, a little bit more loose than the other one. This one, I don't know if I could go to the template. I think my knees, we'll be able to see in the footage, my knees might just be showing and I feel like it'd be more appropriate to go in the other dress, just to respect their culture. But again, incredibly lightweight, like it almost feels like cooling as you're putting the dress on. I'm really sorry guys that you're getting quite a bit of reflection coming in, guys. This is what happens when you film in the winter. You have to film really early in the day, and also, yeah, the spotlight is on me and you can see the shadow, so really sorry about that, guys. But yeah, I also really love this color. It's giving kind of like G.I. Jane, safari, adventure. Like, I don't know, there's something really cute about it. Again, we do have a little bit of pullage in the bra region, but I don't think it's pulling so much so that it's showing anything. There is quite a big like over gap, but again, I could wear a slightly less padded bra, which I think would just like alleviate the whole issue. Let me know down below, guys, what bras do you this is a very personal question, but do you have any bras that you wear more for kind of like comfort over like padded? I think maybe I just need to try get a couple of bras in for the holiday, just because it's going to be so hot and we're going to be trying to see so much in such a short amount of time. We're going to be like on the move quite a bit. Oh, something's going on outside. But yeah, this is really cute. Again, you've got the pockets, you've got the buttons all the way down, and yeah, super lightweight and comfortable. But yeah, this one just feels like a little bit more flouncy. This might be my favourite dress of all out of this haul. It is that comfortable style from the other dress, but in this gorgeous pink pattern. I think it's really fun and cute. It's almost like a pinky coral colour with this white pattern, which I just think will be perfect, especially if we're somewhere really hot. Obviously, the lighter the colour, the cooler you will stay. This again is 100% cotton, which is awesome, and it's just a really comfortable fit. I really like the fact that even though the bottom half of the dresses can be more it's straight, there's still like a lot of room in them. They're not too tight, they're really comfortable. I do feel like they do come up quite small up top, but with these dresses I'm honestly going to go and have a look and see what other patterns they've got, because they are so comfortable that yeah, if they had any other ones, I would definitely give them a go. The fabric is a little bit kind of like that burn out kind of style, but I love the print. Guys, I need to put my sunglasses on. I'm getting absolutely blasted by the sun here, but I also love this little V-neck, which is really cute. You could totally put a little necklace there, but it's also really good for that ventilation, getting a bit of air circulating so you're not too like stuffy. I just think these dresses are really fab. They're also a nice length, like they're not too long or too short. Like I feel like this is a really flattering, comfortable length. So I'm really excited to take both of these on a holiday with me, and yeah, I love the big flowers on this print. I think it's so cute. So I think this dress is the same style as the first dress I showed you. However, it's got this really fantastic print on it. It's really my kind of colours. You know how much I love blue and white together, but this also has orange and khaki in it. I just thought the print was really unusual and would really suit my complexion. I feel like these styles of dresses are kind of like a signature style from YesStyle. They probably do them every year, but with different patterns and colorways. I'm gonna have a look on the website and see maybe if they have any plain colors or things like that that I could dress up with other things. Everything I picked is patterned. I don't know if that's just because that's the YesStyle and like a lot of their stuff is very patterned, or if that's just kind of what ends up in sale. I don't know, but I thought this was really, really lovely. And again, it's ticking all those boxes I needed. So this is the longer length, which again is perfect for going to temples in. And this, again, guys, is so lightweight. It's honestly perfect for traveling. I feel really like chic in it. I feel really put together. I think also a lot of people, I was worried about doing this haul because obviously YesStyle is more of a company maybe aimed at slightly mature women, but I am 31. I think a lot of people think I might be in my 20s, but sometimes I do like to dress a little bit more mature, a little bit more sophisticated, and I think I've picked is definitely some of their more kind of like younger styles, but I definitely think as well these types of dresses, well, they're not younger styles, I just think they're classic styles. I think that's a better phrase to use. This kind of dress can be worn by anybody and they'll look really great. So I'm honestly so impressed. They literally had so much to pick from. Everything I picked up in this video was in the sale, and they do, as I said, go up to a 24. I've only tried the dresses because that is literally what I was looking for. Like, this haul was literally a needs, not a want. So I'm so happy to be able to find it. I literally looked everywhere. Simply Be, well, I didn't really look on Yours Clothing because we all know how I feel about them. I looked on FAVES as well, and they didn't have very much at all for the sun's in my eyes. And they didn't have very much at all left from their summer sale. So if you are interested, I will leave the YesStyle sale down below, but get the pieces while you can, obviously, because they are sale and they probably won't be coming back until next year, maybe in some new colours or prints. But I think everything apart from that green flower dress will be coming with me on the honeymoon. So guys, that's the end of today's video. Let me know what you thought of it down below in the comments. Did you have any favourites? Will you be picking anything up for your January winter sun holiday, or will you save any for New Year? Let me know what you think and what you thought of YesStyle in general. Should I do more of their hauls in the future? Do let me know, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye.